Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create custom cover for Pinterest. So go for your Pinterest account or take a new tab and search your Canva, then go for a new first a link here which is www.canva.com. Then after that, when you are on your Canva account or on this page, then go for create a design. If you don't have any Canva account, then please first create a new account. After that, you can see a page like this. So go for create a design here and go for custom size. And now you have to type here for width 1000 again, also type here 1000 for height, so both are 1000. So after that you can see a page like this. So now you can just create any custom cover from here. So I'll just uh, take a text box and write here Rangamati. Oh, okay. Select it and go for a font. Okay, not this one. Okay, I'll just go for this one. Oh, okay. Now again, take a new text box and I'll write here boat journey. Okay. Okay. Now I'm again change its font. Oh, not this one. Okay, keep it here. Now after that you can go for elements. Now I'll search your boat journey or anything. So I'll take this one. Okay, then you have to just custom it, resize it uh, to your box. Then you can just blur the photo from here. You can take some shapes from here or any graphics or stickers from here. You can take photos from here or videos. And you can use anything, whatever you want. So you can draw, you can uh, projects, you have projects and designs also. So I'm not doing anything for this. So when you are done with this, just go for download here and just go for PNG and whatever you want, then go for download. Then you can upload this cover on Pinterest. So this is how you can create custom cover for Pinterest. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.